Hello everybody and welcome to Parks Bros. It's Drew here, and teaser season for 2023 roller coasters has officially begun. The first teaser of the season, of course, is going to SeaWorld Orlando, which has been highly rumored to be receiving a brand new roller coaster by the manufacturer B&M for quite a while now under the title of Project Penguin. But today at 1 p.m. Pacific time, they posted all over their social media pages, including Twitter, that SeaWorld Orlando will be receiving its 7th roller coaster in 2023, with it being the first of its kind, a B&M surf coaster. As we get a closer look at this brand new ride type, it is definitely clear to see this is a launched roller coaster, but it is also a stand-up roller coaster. That's right, you'll be standing on your feet instead of sitting down, while also having the brand new B&M restraint system introduced to that lineup. Something different for B&M also is the fact that it is 2 seats across, which is very interesting to see. And for the theme itself, it looks like they're heading towards the namesake of the ride model, with it being surf themed. Speaking of theming though, you can see there's a little bit of it on the train itself, where it looks like the front of the coaster train kind of resembles a surfboard quite a bit, and the color scheme of the trains definitely invoke that type of theme too. From our small glimpses of the rest of the layout in the background though, we can definitely see many high banking hills, as well as some crazy airtime moments and potentially even an inversion. This brand new coaster model looks to be very different from anything B&M has done in the past. For a little better idea on that, all you have to do is look across the park. There are plenty of B&Ms already at SeaWorld Orlando, including Manta the flying coaster, Kraken the floorless coaster, and Mako the hyper coaster. All 3 of those rides would be considered more traditional in what B&M has offered in the past 20 or 30 years, where this surf coaster concept is completely different, especially the fact that it's no longer a 4-seat wide train. That has always been kind of a staple of their roller coasters, and it'll be very interesting to see how this all plays out. As we do know, track and supports have been on site for quite a while for this brand new attraction, and I cannot wait to go back to Orlando next year to go check it out for myself, especially after the fun that I had on Icebreaker earlier in this year. I must say though, I am absolutely loving all the brand new investments going in all over the country, with plenty of brand new rides still yet to open this year, and I can only hope that 2023 is just as big. But with this brand new teaser, I think we're heading in that direction. With all that said though, what do you guys think? Do you absolutely love this brand new surf coaster concept, or are you kind of skeptical because it is that stand-up style? Let me know down in the comments below. And I appreciate you stopping in for this quick little video. And as a reminder, make sure to stay tuned. We've got some awesome ranking videos coming within the next couple of days. But of course, thank you again so much for watching. And until then, we'll see you on the next ride.